Hello everyone. What I have here is a Lasko Power Plus box fan, as you can see here. Top. Here's the back. Underneath, this one's a 2019, but it was bought in 2020. Can't see it because it's all black, but it has the, looks like the capital letter older logo. See? It does have that, but it's not the older one though. So what we're about to do here is kick it on. There we go, got it focused. Now let's turn it on low. This is quiet. This is just as quiet as the fan man. Well, before he changed the blade, but he is awesome, by the way, guys. So, we're gonna, which he does have the durable feet, which is the big feet, as you can see there. Let's get ready to kick it up on medium. This one runs well. You know what I started using? You know I've been using the blue can oil. Which is the property oil to use, and it works fabulous with it. And that's what it's there for. It keeps the fan lasting a little bit longer. That's how much air it's moving. Let's kick it up on high. Here's high. Lamont, if you want one of these fans too, you go to Home Depot, they actually have them there. These are really good fans, just as good as any of them. You are my favorite, and you are absolutely awesome. Thank you for following me, and you've always been my favorite. I love this fan. It really does move some hair. Everyone subscribe to me and Lamont. We got some fans here to show off. Now we're going to get startup sounds. So, here we are. Of course, we're looking at the motor. Okay. Usually I do startup sounds, but just kick it up on medium. Okay, now high. Okay, as you can see here, this one actually does have a spin down. We're gonna let it spin down. And everybody check out all the fan people, including Lamont, because he deserves more subscribers with me and him. I'm thinking about sending him some fans too, because I might send him one of these fans if he wants one. I have one, but the switch is messed up. I did rebuild it, so you're pretty much good. But I don't know the things, but you are my favorite. You always will be. You're my favorite, Lamont. I will show you all my fans. Everyone subscribe. And Jordan Yu deserves them too, including all of them. So I'm gonna get off here. God bless y'all. Have a great one.